This is a pig. My friend the pig lives in a pen. Pigs like mud. Pig. Pig. Let's say it together. Pig. That's great. This is a duck. My friend the duck likes the water. Duck. Duck. Let's say it together. Duck. Super. This is a chicken. My friend the chicken can lay eggs. Chicken. Chicken. Can you say it with me? Chicken. Excellent.
This is a bird. This is a bird. My friend the bird can fly. Bird. Bird. Let's say it together. Bird. Great.
This is a horse. My friend the horse lives in a field. Horse. Horse. Let's say it together. Horse. Excellent. This is a cow. My friend the cow makes milk. Cow. Cow. Let's say it together. Cow. Great. This is a goat. My friend the goat likes to eat grass. Goat. Goat. Let's say it together. Goat. Super. This is a sheep. My friend the sheep has lots of wool. Sheep. Sheep. Let's say it together. Sheep. Perfect.